In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login errors in McDonald's UK application. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that the device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data to connect to a secure network. By doing so, you shouldn't be facing any internet problems while logging in. But if there's any other problem with the login, you can simply tap on your settings, scroll down and click on General, go to your iPhone storage, and you want to scroll down and navigate yourself to the McDonald's application. Click on Show All, and here's the McDonald's app we're looking for. Simply tap on the application and click on Offload App. Click on Offload App again, and click on Reinstall Application. And what this does is it deletes the application whilst keeping its documents and data. And the next time you open the application, you shouldn't be facing any problems regarding your login. However, if there's any other problem with the application, you can simply restart your device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.